Umnyango wezobulungiswa ushaqekile ukuzwa ukuthi empeleni lolu daba sekunesikhathi iUAE iqedile ngalo kwathathwa nesinqumo ngoNhlolanja ukuthi kuphelile ngalo.
We learned with shock and extradition hearing had been concluded in the Dubai courts and the United Arab Emirates courts on the 13th of February 2023, and our extradition request was unsuccessful. The court found that on the charge of money laundering, the crime in question is alleged to have been committed in the United Arab Emirates and in South Africa. In terms of the federal laws of the United Arab Emirates, an extradition can be denied because the United Arab Emirates has the jurisdiction to prosecute the crime.
Ungqongqoshe uLamula usesole iziphathimandla zase-UAE ngokungabi naqiniso ngalolu daba.
This approach is inconsistent with Article 17 of the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, to which both nations are signatories. Article 17 places a clear requirement on the state parties to obtain clarity on specific matters before refusing an extradition request.
Owengamele uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA uadvocate Shamila Batohi ukholwa ukuthi lokhu kuzobambezelana nesigcawu sokugwetshwa kwalabo abashawa ngesho bale commissioner i-state capture.
In order for us to successfully prosecute state capture and other high-level corruption cases, we need accused persons, those that are outside of the republic, to be arrested. We need cooperation from other countries.
Ungqongqoshe uRonald Lamula uthi uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika uzofaka isicelo sokuphikisana nesinqumo se-United Arab Emirates. NginguSipho Mkhize, ezindabeni ze-SABC, eGoli.